So always write down the asymptotes out without the modulus, obviously. So the horizontal asymptote will be y equals to alpha. You can just do a long division, but you can just put alpha over 1. You get alpha. Vertical asymptote, which will be x equals to minus 1. Draw it out. Alpha is a positive constant. Get this graph. X is 0, y is 0. I think you get this graph right. Put a you just put in GC, just let alpha be any value lah, huh? So get this. Here can be 0, minus 2 when y is 0, alpha x minus 2 equals 0, x equals to 2 over alpha. There you go. So for this question, when you have this kind, right, you have to understand that this point here, you want to, because this line, you need to find this intercept here, right? This tail end here, you need to ask yourself whether it's the plus 1 or the minus 1, because there are two equations here. Y is equals to plus 1 or the minus 1. You solving by a different one will give you different equation. Okay, so how do you decide that? It's very simple. You just go to your GC, you put the actual equation without the modulus. Usually I put the dotted line there lah, dotted line. So you put like 2x, x plus 1, right? Okay, you go to graph. You see the dotted line here? The original, okay, it is a bit faint. They've just used a thicker one. Actually magenta. Okay, here. So this is the actual without modulus is this graph here. The blue color is the modulus. This being flipped up. So this one being flipped up, right, is actually the negative. The one that is being flipped up will always get the negative from the original. Okay, the one that is retained compared to the one without this one, all this side here, they're all the positive equation. The one that being flipped is the negative one. The one that retains is the positive one. So we know this side here, this tail end here, belongs to the positive one. So to find the intersection point, you know that alpha x minus 2 is equals to the positive one. Okay, and you just solve this. Solving this shouldn't be an issue. You have two equations. You need to reject one. Okay, you reject. Okay, you reject the negative. This 1 minus of square root 1 is 1. So you add something off, this definitely will be more than 1. Okay, so this overall will be negative lah. So this is not what you want to reject, as x is more than 0. The intersection point is more than 0. Here. Okay, so okay, then you want modulus graph to be bigger than the line. So this guy will be all here. The modulus, the rational function is bigger than a line here as well. Okay, so anything that is above it is bigger. So but take note, there's x equals to negative 1 is a asymptote there. So hence be x less than and x not equals to minus 1.